Ladykillers by the group Lush. It's a classic, I think. Starts out, there's a little guitar solo, and the rhythm guitar is going E minor, B minor, E minor, B minor, E minor, B minor, C, B. Then the E minor, B minor part plays again. 3 times. Alright, let's go over that, and then we'll move on to the verse. So, yeah, E minor, B minor. 3 times. And it's different rhythm from the rest of the song. It's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright, so it's got a split, you know, you're playing different chords in one bar. And for the C, I'm just playing a A shape, like we learned here at the 2nd fret, but I'm moving it to the 5th. And then I move it to the 4th for the B. That's one unusual thing about the chords in this song, is it mixes B major with B minor. The second time around, it goes E minor, and we're just playing actually power chord. And then you could play this as a power chord to the B. And then the second time, it does the same thing, except it keeps going on that walk down. So it goes C, B, playing B, A shape at the 4th fret. Then we play A. Then we play open D, G, and B. That's a G chord. F sharp minor. I don't know if it goes back to the B or the B is just implied, but altogether that little walk down is 5, 4, 2, open, to F sharp minor, B. All right, and then we go into the song proper, and we begin the verse. Now, when we change rhythm, when we go to the verse, and it's a 1 chord per bar. With my girlfriends on a Saturday night. All right, that's the first part. E minor, G, B minor, F sharp back to E. Everything gets 1 measure until that F sharp E. And I'm just playing like the low strings. I'm not even playing like the G, like. The verse. Then there's a little pre-chorus. That's the pre-chorus. So it goes new chord D, but it goes yeah, D, 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 A, E minor, D, D, D. Slide the D shape up 1 fret, and then back. So it's going to like a E flat. And then that's like the first phrase of the pre-chorus. we come to the second phrase. Goes D right to E minor, C, B. And then we go into the chorus. Learn the chorus. Chorus is a little bit easier. A lot of it is just C to E minor. I'm as the next girl. C, flat, E minor, C, E minor, C, B. You can play that just with the A shape at the 4th fret. And then that repeats, C to E minor. You get the picture. And then at the end it goes back to the intro. Okay, I think that's the whole song. If not, shoot me a question in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.